In this video, we will be going over how to safely operate the radial arm saw. First thing, the radial arm saw has a handle here. This is the one and only place where you grab the saw. You don't grab it here, you don't grab it here, you don't grab it here, you don't grab it by the blade. Handle is the only place where you grab it. Due to the nature of the way this saw works, when you start the saw, this blade is going to be spinning towards you. If that blade were to encounter any kind of resistance from a material or something like that, then it would cause the saw and the blade to come charging out towards you. That said, if that blade is spinning, then you have a hand on the saw at all times. As referenced in the measure and marking video, we are going to measure out this board. Say we wanted to cut it to 4 inches. We will make our mark 4 inches, and then using a speed square or some other type of square, we will extend our line across the board and then double check our measurement with our tape measure. Now we're going to line up the board to be cut on the saw. Before we do that, we want to check and make sure that no sawdust or other wood chips have accumulated against the fence. That would throw off the accuracy of our cut. So, cleared everything away, take our board, place it firmly up against the fence, and then we're going to line up our cut, making sure that the blade is on the correct side of the line. Once we've got everything lined up, we're going to push the saw all the way back. This particular saw has a dust collection system that is separate from the saw. That is this machine over here. Green button turns it on, red button turns it off. The order of operation is going to be, I'm going to start the dust collector, then with keeping a hand on the saw, I will start the saw and then make my cut. Keeping hand on the handle until the blade comes to a complete stop. Using something other than my hand, I'm going to clear the material out of the area. And blade has come to a complete stop. Now I can take my hand off the saw. Couple of things that you'll notice. First of all, we have this yellow painted area. You want to keep your hands and fingers outside of that area. When I made my cut, I brought the saw out only as far as I needed to cut through the material and then pushed it all the way back. I did not bring it all the way forward and then push it all the way back. That would be excessive and dangerous. I also brought the saw through at a nice comfortable speed, maintaining control of the saw at all times. I was not going as fast as I can. Again, that's dangerous. When it comes to hand and arm placement, what I'm doing here is correct. This would be incorrect. Now my arms are crossed in front of the path of the saw and I could potentially cut through them. Now, I know this seems a little awkward and odd and you would never do that, but there will be times when the material will be set up on this side of the blade and people will get it through their head that they're right-handed and that their right hand has to be the hand that is operating the saw, and then they will use their left hand like this, and now their arms are crossed in front of the saw. That's dangerous. The proper way to make a cut like this would be to hold it like so.